I'm here with Dr. August de Oliveira.
Hello,
I'd
hello.
like to thank him for coming out to Brighter Way to help me treat my patients better.
What we're doing is we're giving back to the great patients of the Brighter Way Institute with digital dentistry. So we have to come up with 2 or 3 levels of classes. Our first level, partially edentulous guided surgery and partially edentulous implant restorative. Second one is we want to do a fully edentulous guided surgery workflow and a fully edentulous restorative, either hybrid or overdenture workflow, model free.
The participants will actually be learning how to utilize a 3Shape scanner, see the workflow, how things get designed and milled and printed. And they'll actually take this back to their practices so they can treat their patients better.
I'll be doing multiple volunteer days, so check out our social media feeds in
Correct.
Instagram and Facebook and digitalenamel.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.